Are you tired of spending money without getting anything back? Well, you can actually earn cashback and rewards for your purchases through various programs. One of the easiest ways to earn cashback and rewards is by using credit cards that offer them. These cards often give you a percentage of your purchase back in the form of cash or points. You can also earn cashback by using apps that give you money back for your purchases. Simply scan your receipt and earn cashback on eligible items. Rewards programs are another great way to earn points that can be redeemed for discounts, gift cards, or other rewards. Many stores have their own programs, and there are also programs that work across multiple retailers. By taking advantage of these programs, you can earn money and rewards for your everyday purchases. So next time you shop, be sure to check if there are any cashback or rewards programs you can use. Thanks for watching, and happy earning!